Online meetings and web conferencing are rapidly becoming mainstream parts of the internet as more organizations choose to connect with clients and partners remotely. Zoho Meeting is a powerful and easy-to-use web conferencing solution that allows businesses and individuals to conduct online meetings, webinars, and presentations from anywhere, at any time, using any device. It is the easiest and most affordable online web conferencing tool to enhance business collaboration with screen sharing, audio, and video conferencing. With Zoho Meeting, you can host product launches, feature demonstrations, sales presentations, lead nurturing webinars, user education webinars, and online meetings right from your browser. Zoho Meeting offers a built-in video conferencing function that allows you to hold real-time discussions with your team or clients. It also allows users to record meetings for future reference and distribute meeting recordings to attendees. With Zoho Meeting, you can organize cost-effective sales and marketing meetings, demonstrate your products and services to potential clients, and even provide after-sales support. This simplifies your business strategies and sales process for better conversions. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Zoho Meeting review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Zoho Meeting. What does Zoho Meeting really do? Zoho Meeting is a robust web conferencing tool built to manage business collaboration, from small interactive meetings to large, engaging webinars. Zoho Meeting is a cloud-based audio and video conferencing software, making it possible to connect one-on-one or with hundreds of people at a time. It is intended for businesses with several teams in various locations so that they can interact in real time and closely together. Its integrated audio conferencing feature enables you to share your desktop and conduct live conferences with customers. In addition, Zoho lets you engage through chat, share documents, and review reports and analytics based on conferencing outcomes. Zoho Meeting uses an embedded meeting widget to allow attendees to join the online meeting straight from their websites. Users can also initiate audio conferencing via online voice, calls from their computers, or toll-free conference calls from their phones. Zoho Meeting undercuts competition with its unique pricing model, charging based on the number of participants in your meetings. It can also be integrated into a large ecosystem of business apps like Zoho Projects and Zoho CRM, as well as a wide range of other third-party integrations. The system is notably easy to use, and the low flexible pricing makes it an ideal choice for all business sizes. Benefits and key features of Zoho Meeting. 1. Ease of use. Zoho Meeting is easy to sign up for and use. The standard conferencing tools are identifiable enough that you should have no trouble navigating the window to find whichever tools you need. 2. Online meetings and webinar conferencing. Zoho Meeting allows you to communicate your ideas more effectively using the built-in device or an external camera to engage in face-to-face interactions, ensuring that all conversations and thoughts are clearly represented. 3. Multiple video feeds. Zoho Meeting allows users to view all the participants taking part in the meeting on a single screen through multiple video feeds. 4. In-house apps to bolster functionality. With Zoho Meeting, you can nurture existing customer relationships, manage client appointments, and view recordings without leaving your Zoho Meeting account. 5. Excellent recording tool with no file size limit. Zoho Meeting allows you to record and archive any and all webinar sessions. Through these recordings, participants who couldn't attend the live show can still replay the presentation at any time. 6. Secure video meeting platform. All data transferred on Zoho Meeting is encrypted through high-standard protocols. Zoho also provides a fully secured and authenticated connection through its browsers. 7. Real-time chat and screen sharing. You can easily share your screen while making a presentation or discussing a project with the client or teammates. The chat feature allows you to instantly send messages or links. 8. Affordable video conferencing tool. Zoho Meeting has proven to be a cost-effective solution by helping remote employees and organizations connect easily for project collaboration. Zoho Meeting's pricing and plans. Zoho Meeting offers a free plan which includes limited capabilities like screen sharing and recording. The paid plans include the standard and professional plans for both meetings and webinars. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and the benefit of unlimited attendees on all your webinars. Pros: organize sales and marketing presentations online. Collaborate with teams spread all over the world. Organize lead-nurturing webinars and host product launches for wider audiences. Email and registration form customization to boost conversion rates. Lock meetings for privacy and security. Dedicated customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the free plan comes with limited features. Conclusion: Zoho Meeting is simple to use and scalable, with 24-hour customer support and industrial-grade security. It provides interactive web meeting tools such as screen sharing, whiteboards, and audience polls, as well as meeting recording, replay, and sharing. Its customizable emails and registration forms make it easy for attendees to participate in meetings. With its extensive feature set, ease of use, and competitive pricing, Zoho Meeting stands as an excellent choice for conducting meetings, webinars, and presentations online. It also offers other features, including HD video streaming, screen sharing, video recording, data export, pre-recorded presentations, real-time chats, custom fields, and more. Zoho Meeting is ideal for remote teams to hold meetings in an online and secure space. With the integration of sharing screens, documents, and other collaborative abilities, teams can work together on projects and tasks efficiently. Zoho Meeting is ready to work with you to achieve marketing success. Take advantage of its capabilities to streamline your marketing efforts and propel your business to new heights with ease. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Zoho Meeting. If you enjoyed this Zoho Meeting review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.